RUBEROID UltraClad membranes are an SBS Asphaltic Premium fire-retarding aluminum foil face bitumen membrane. It is a solar reflective cap sheet that is designed specifically to help divert heat away from the part of the roof that experiences the most building movement. They're used typically in flashing applications, where long-term flashing and roof system performance is specified. This membrane can be used in both SBS and BUR assemblies. It contains a high-tensile woven fiberglass scrim that is coated with an SBS modified bitumen asphalt. It provides excellent cold temperature flexibility, and it has great elongation properties. The membrane is energy efficient, and it's rated with the Cool Roof Rating Council. It is also FM approved and classified by UL in accordance with ANSI UL 790. If you have any additional questions around RUBEROID UltraClad membrane, please reach out to GAF.